Well, friends, I think it's time we traded in the old truck. Need something a little newer, a little bit less rust, something a little shinier, something that'll get us to the ocean a little bit more reliably. I think it's time for a new truck. Let me show you what we picked out. We're here at Wood Wheaton, Prince George. Certified pre-owned. And here is the GMC 3500 Duramax diesel AT4. 20-inch tires. A very expensive tailgate that I hope not to wreck. Full load leather. This thing is everything, every kind of everything. This is the new ride. Heavy duty. Got the lift kit, the red tow hooks. $3,500 Sierra. If you guys are in the market for a new vehicle, pop into the Wood Wheaton Super Center here in Prince George. Harry's the manager. Ask for Harry. Stevie was my salesman. Great service. Appreciate everything they did for me. Thanks, guys.